Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So it's finally happened from the early session today. We've broken 4,000 and actually moving a little bit higher as well. And we're seeing now that even though this government shutdown is continuing in America, the dollar is still being propelled. There's still strength behind it because not only the dollar index is doing well, but also the FX pairs favoring the dollar are also on the upside as well. We've seen quite a big weekend gap for the dollar yen, which is quite significant, and it's keep on pushing, and also for the euro and pound as well. Euro in a little bit of a turmoil because of the French Prime Minister resigning after 27 days, but we're seeing more of a push on gold as well, which is a little bit extraordinary. So it does happen from time to time. We don't always have gold moving in one direction and dollar the other. They do sometimes move in the same direction, and this is what we're seeing now. So on the daily chart, as you can see, the massive movement since the big back end of August, moving over $700-800, which is quite significant. Such we probably won't see anything like this for quite some time. Looking on the intraday chart, we're just popping over this particular area now, but look at all these bullish candles. Amazing, absolutely phenomenal from a bullish point of view. Again, for the I've lost count of how many times I've said this, but we are very oversold in the RSI and a lot of the other histograms and stochastics that we're looking at. We're just seeing now that these bearish divergences are not really slowing price action down. We've had a long-term bearish divergence, short-term bearish divergences, as you see on the hourly chart as well. This was actually before it popped higher. So we're just waiting to see now on the intraday chart if price action is going to start moving a little bit lower. We're having the FOMC minutes today where the Fed can possibly start moving the market. If it does take a dovish stance, there's a 95% chance that next month's Fed interest rate decision will be another cut, and then in December a final one of 25 basis points added to that. But as you can see on the index, we've broken the previous resistance of this triple top, and now we're just moving. It's a strong bullish candle on the intraday chart as well, as you can see here, moving towards 99 and then steadily towards 100 perhaps, if price action does keep on progressing. And that was the last firm resistance that we saw at that particular area. So what do you think? Do you think this gold movement can keep on going? Do you think dollar will still have strength by the end of the week? Something's got to give really, because as I said, the Fed is looking to take a more of a dovish stance, and we're possibly seeing more of a movement to the upside for gold. It just keeps on moving higher and higher. We just don't see any slowdown. Geopolitical tensions, trade tariff talks are ongoing. We're seeing interest rate decisions, inflation creeping higher. So these are all major factors for gold moving higher, but it just keeps on pushing. And as I said, the dollar doesn't look like it's slowing down anytime soon as well. Will this government shutdown end anytime soon? 2 weeks now, and we're probably going to go into the third week as well. So we'll see what happens there. And as always, we'll bring you all the latest in fundamentals and technicals as they come. So stick with us, stay ahead, trade responsibly, and we'll speak again next time around. Bye for now.